How did I come up with this? I have no idea. But today, ladies and gentlemen, the most successful video, which, by the way, I hate that video the most, is about me eating paper. While I was watching Elvis the Alien, who is a YouTuber who I quite enjoy his content. Definitely go subscribe to him. I know a shout out from me is absolutely nothing to him, but if you aren't already subscribed, definitely do. Makes better videos than me. Anyways, he made a video about this guy named Dogshit who eats pictures of Mr. Jason Segel. So in the video, Elvis the Alien eats a picture of Dogshit, eating another picture of Jason Segel. And during the video I thought, what if I ate a picture of Elvis the Alien eating a picture of Dogshit, eating a picture of Jason Segel? This is inception of eating paper. This is what a world has come to. It's going to be a real challenge figuring out how I'm going to manage to digest Elvis the Alien. In the video, Elvis recommended ripping it up into little strips and little chunks and then eating it. I suppose that might be the safest way of going. I just swallowed paper. Oh, jeez. Nutritious breakfast for all you youngsters out there. Ultimate Elvis the Alien fan tribute I got going here. Well, I was having some trouble swallowing up Jimmy, so I got some flavors and toppings to maybe help me swallow it down. Paper and peanut butter don't go too well together. Ah! I can feel the paper inside of me. You know, I thought peanut butter was bad, but I don't even like mustard. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Oh. Ooh. Oh. 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 Spilled some water near my crotch region, but you guys saw it. You know I didn't pee. You aren't gonna leave immature comments, are you? Now, I'm not much of a ketchup guy, but oh jeez, I just got ketchup all over my freaking chair. I would take ketchup over mustard any day. Maybe a little much. Oh, ketchup went into the cut on my finger. Ah, you guys aren't gonna make fun of this giant mutant of what Sorta looks like a piss stain. Are you? Are you? Oh, Elvis the alien's face. I will not be adding flavor because this doesn't need flavor. If I'm being completely honest, I think I'd just rather eat paper without toppings. No, it's not even the paper part that tastes bad, it's just the ink. The ink tastes terrible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Try to make Elvis the alien see this. So, going through all that torture doesn't seem as useless as it was.